Hello everyone, this is Yash and today we'll be looking at the question reverse integer. Given a signed 32-bit integer x, return x with its digits reversed. If reversing x causes the value to go outside the signed 32-bit integer range, return 0. Assume the environment does not allow you to store 64-bit integers, signed or unsigned. So the basic approach which we can think is using a long int, but instead what we have to do is let's create a reverse variable and set it as 0 and simply write the code to reverse. Now, since we know that the values can be negative, so instead of writing x greater than 0, we will leave it as x because the negative values will also be read as positive or true. So while x, what we are going to do is we are going to set our rev equals to rev into 10 plus x mod 10 and decrement x. And for the default case, we are going to return rev. Okay, let's try to run this part. Okay, so the error was because of integer value flow overflow since the value is not incrementing. Okay. Integer value overflowed because we don't have a proper condition set for it because I guess it's int max. So the reverse will be something around 7 billion, but the compiler doesn't allow us to store more than 2. So what we are going to do is check whether our reverse is greater than int max by 10 or our reverse is less than int min by 10 so that both the sides of the cases are done. If the value exceeds, let's just say if our value exceeds int max when multiplied by 10, therefore the answer should be 0 as specified. Or if the value decreases more than this int min, so multiplying it by 10 would only make it worse. So instead we are going to return 0. I'll be posting the link to the solution in the description. Thank you everyone for watching.